Alright, hey guys, this is a long overdue update on a video that I uploaded I think like 2 years ago or something like that. It's on this brake booster conversion kit that I got. It's for 67 to 72 Ford F100. I just had opened the box and showed the parts and all that, but I hadn't had it installed on my truck yet. Well, today, finally, like 2 years later, I know I'm a procrastinator, but I got it finally installed. Originally, this truck had manual brakes, and it's four-wheel drum. So you'd have to pump the pedal like 4 times, and it would slow down. It wouldn't stop, really. But that's also, I found out, my master cylinder. The bowl for the front brakes was not dry, but there was no fluid coming out. So it had some like rust scale and crap in the port. So it wasn't making it out to the brake lines. So, anything was an improvement over that. But this kit, it pretty much mostly comes with everything you need. The master cylinder and the brake booster, the mounts that bolt to the firewall, and the beauty of it is there's already those 4 bolts on the firewall. The original master cylinder just takes the bottom 2 bolts, but the top 2 were already there in the firewall. So all I had to do is unbolt the old one and bolt up this bracket, which bolts to the brake booster and the master cylinder itself. So all that bolted up relatively easy. It didn't come with a brake booster line for the vacuum hose, so I had to look in my stash and get one of those. And on the vacuum tree here, I had to get a nipple to put that on. The other's a cap because they're not being used, obviously. Brake lines, all I had to do was kind of bend them over. You see on the top of that one thing right there, there was like a hole down that held them in, so I had to do it from that and bend them over here a little bit. Luckily, I didn't have to use any kind of adapters or anything. The sizes were already correct. You can do it on either side. It comes with 2 bolts to cap off the side that you don't use, which is nice. As for inside, the rod that comes off of the brake booster has an adjustable rod with a Heim joint. Let's see if I can get under here and see what we got. So it bolts up the pedal there with Heim joint. It's adjustable. I have to adjust it just a little bit. I have just like maybe 1/2 inch of free play. But honestly, and the only thing I had to do was get a different bolt because the original one was too short. But now the difference is crazy. Before, like I said, I have to pump it like 4 times to stop it, and now I don't have to pump it at all. I just stand on the brakes, and first time I tried it, it almost made me slide out of my seat into my steering wheel. I didn't know that drum brakes, 4-wheel drum brakes, could stop that good. So that makes me very happy that it works as good as it does. Definitely worth the amount of money that I paid for it. I think I paid, I think it was like 180 bucks or something like that. It was off eBay, but it's a good seller. I think his name is Pirate Jack or something like that, if I recall correctly. But a very good kit. Comes with, 95% of what you need. And also, before anyone asks any questions about if you need to change any proportioning valves or anything like that, you don't, unless you convert the front of these to disc brakes. Then you'd have to change the proportioning valve. But this kit that I got, there's a drop-down menu that said if you need it for a 4-wheel drum or disc and drum, so I guess they're probably, valved or something different, and different size brake boosters for each application. So this one's for 4-wheel drums, and all I had to do is bolt it all up. It works great. I would highly recommend it. That's definitely a step in the right direction for this old pig. I'm very happy that it actually stops now. That's a big step for me. So that's just a quick update video on this conversion kit that I bought like 2 years ago, and I had some comments on that asking like when I was going to install it, and I finally got off my butt and did it. So yeah, if you have any questions, leave a comment. I'd be happy to answer them. Till then.